This is Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. Today we're gonna cook these little guys up. They get in my feed and they poop in my feed. But season's open, which really doesn't matter. I have a farm, so I can harvest these guys year round. They've been getting in my feed and stuff, so we're gonna be cleaning them. And I started cleaning one before I did this, but here's what I end up doing. Is we'll take the breast meat out of them and just cut it open in the middle and just remove the meat. So I can't show the process, but I'm gonna process these guys and we're gonna go cook them up. So stay tuned. Here we are. They're all the birds are all debreasted. I actually got one extra one because he decided to come in here and decided to eat my feet too. So I got an extra one that y'all didn't see. I'm gonna go take these. I'm gonna go soak them and clean them up, defeather them, and we'll get to the cooking part here shortly. Alright, I had soaked these for a little while and cleaned them up in some salt water. I got a little Worcestershire sauce in there, Tony's garlic, and onion powder, and that's Tony's Satcheries, just to give them some flavor. And then I got my bacon here. Now I'm just gonna do a quick little wrap, stick it on the grill. It's a little windy, so I'm gonna leave the grill shut until I start loading it up. But let me get all that on there. I'm gonna get these wrapped and I'll get those in there. Split the bacon in half, and I had a piece for each piece. It perfectly worked out. That was awesome. I thought I was gonna have a few over, but it's time to load it into the cooker. Take a piece, set it here. I want to put it to this side. There we go. Then we put it to the other side. That's where the flame is turned on, and it'll actually drop grease on it and cook things faster than it needs to. So we got that. Well, this thing said it was at 400 a minute ago, but right now it's at 2 something. So we're gonna let this thing cook, and we're gonna see what they look like here in a few. I just shifted it over. That's why I really don't want to run it full like this, but shifted it over, give it a chance to dry it up a little bit and cook the bacon a little better, because it was just soggy bacon there. And see what it does, it just catches fire. It won't take long for it to Alright, let me get these off of here. They're done enough. Let's stick them in the pan over here. It's hot and it's going to catch on fire. Let me turn this off. You don't care, it's off. Alright, I'm going to move them over and we're going to give her a taste test. Alright, I'm up here on the porch. I've been working on all weekend. Besides all the other stuff that goes on around here. Let's go ahead and give it a test run. Now remember, this is blackbird. I believe they're called greckles. Those are the main ones I get right this time of year. In about a few weeks, the regular little blackbirds will show up. But I'm gonna give this a try. Oh, there's some right now. They're excellent, well seasoned. And chickens are excited. They're not getting any. All up under the porch. Somewhere over there. But, yeah, these things are good. It's not used much. I don't see a lot of people hunting these things. I hunt them. I've always hunted them. I hunt them more now because they're always in my feed and stuff, and I'm trying to prevent ruining my feed. I mean, I just don't want them pooping everywhere with the avian thing going around. So the more I take out, the less they're going to be in this area. And they'll learn eventually not to come here and steal my feed. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.